Welcome to the land of animals. Yo, bro, I'm a duck, quack, quack. Yo, I'm a goose, honk, honk. Bro, you wanna be friends, man? What's in it for me? You get to hang out with a really awesome duck and be a part of a really cringy video. Wow, that sounds worth it. Oh, hooray! Let's go on an adventure. So what? We just wait around and like wait for something to happen to spark our incredible journey? Yes. What was that? It's literally right behind you. Oh. Pardon me, kind sir, but is there any way that we can help you? He's coming towards me. Hi there. Oh crap, my buddy just got eaten. I should probably kill him for this. But if there's one thing I learned in school, violence is never the answer. Dang school. Excuse me. The pain is so bad! Darn you, school! And the moral of the story is if there's a Dunkalosty struggling for help, don't go to help him at all.
Well, that was just great.